Here comes the last video in this series. Please stay on this email list. I find resources all the time and I will send updates. And thank you for subscribing. Here comes the bonus video.
Miscellaneous free traffic sources. Now, if you have a list of targeted subscribers, one of the best ways to get free traffic is with an ad swap. Now, if you're not familiar with ad swaps, an ad swap is when two marketers that each have lists do a mailing for one another. Okay? These mailings, they're usually for a free offer on a squeeze page. You can learn all about ad swaps and find people to swap with over at safeswaps.com. SafeSwaps is one of the greatest websites for putting together people that are looking to do ad swaps together. In ad swaps, you really can get a lot of traffic doing an ad swap. And SafeSwaps is a great website because they put ad swappers together. So if you have a list of 100 people, it can put you with another marketer who has a list of 100 people. You each can do a mailing for one another, and you're each going to get some free traffic out of it. SafeSwaps, it's a free service. You can purchase an account there, okay? Something I recommend if you do have a list and you're going to be doing some ad swaps. But if we go over to Alexa, okay, Alexa judges the popularity of websites, and you can see SafeSwaps is a very popular website. Has a lot of people on there that are looking to do ad swaps with marketers just like you. Okay, now, you obviously have to have a list, so if you don't have a list, you're not going to be able to do ad swaps just yet. But once you get yourself a list, a very good source of free traffic is definitely going to be through ad swaps. Now, another great free website is going to be Craigslist. There are many, many marketers that use Craigslist in their free classifieds to drive traffic to their websites. With all the categories that Craigslist has, you're definitely going to be able to market to just about any niche that you can imagine. And if we go over to Craigslist right now, you can see I'm in the Boston Craigslist. There's categories for just about anything, okay? There's sporting equipment, there's advice. You can place a small business ad. That's what a lot of people do. They place small business ads. You can go right over the small business section, place an ad for something that you have on your website. Offer up something for free. Go into the category. If you're in the health category, click on the health. Go ahead, get a feel for it. You can post links to your website. And Craigslist, if we go to Alexa, we can see that Craigslist is super popular. It's the 10th most popular site in the web in the United States. That means a lot of people go there. And if you're clever about it, do a search for Craigslist marketing. There's plenty of free information out there. There's ways that you can use these highly popular websites to get free traffic to your own website. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hi, Keith Schaefer here. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Make sure to check the descriptions of the videos. There's a lot of free bonuses there. Subscribe, hit the bell, please. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.